Hi everyone! Today we're using some yoga blocks for a downward dog to create some additional space. The first thing you want to do is make sure that they're nice and stable and they're not going to go anywhere while you're in the pose. So once you've set up your blocks, just place them under your hands and go into your downward dog. And if you have some tightness in the hamstrings, this takes a little bit of the pressure off there and gives you a different sensation. When you have the blocks there and you're stepping your foot through to come into standing postures, you get a few extra inches of space, which can be very comfortable on the hips. You can just move them out of the way when you're ready to go into your flow. I like to take a modified flow with the knees down, lower down. Notice there's a difference in my posture when I go back to the blocks. I'm able to get my spine a little bit flatter with my heels on the floor. You can adjust the yoga blocks to be on a higher setting too. You can see what's more comfortable for you. On this setting, you get even more space to go ahead and step that foot through, and it can be quite comfortable. Thanks for watching. Be sure and let me know in the comments if you give this modification a try.